Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the mains voltage and matching the device rating so it won't overheat or underperform. Once done, choose a central wall outlet, not an extension or surge strip, to get accurate load sensing. Make sure to switch off large appliances briefly and record your baseline power meter reading. This helps you compare savings later. These steps prevent errors and let the device calibrate properly, so proceed now and plug the unit in with confidence. Now you let the unit calibrate, typically 24 to 48 hours, so it learns reactive and standby loads. This reduces false corrections. While it calibrates, monitor the indicator lights. Green means stable, red signals a wiring or overload issue. You should also spot check with a clamp meter at various circuits to confirm the device isn't trimming essential loads. If readings seem off, adjust appliance priority or relocate the unit. These verifications ensure the device optimizes rather than disrupts your supply. To finish, measure energy use after roughly 30 days and compare it to your baseline to confirm actual savings. Meters and bills show the why. If you encounter nuisance breaker trips or flicker, disconnect heavy inductive loads like motors and air compressors. Those often confuse power saver circuitry. Make sure to record model and serial numbers. If persistent errors continue, contact the vendor for firmware updates or warranty service. One key troubleshooting tip: swap to another outlet to rule out a bad socket.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.